Welcome to another Stratta on the Road vlog. Come with us. And here is our new air conditioner. The previous one broke and we had to replace it. I forgot to record removing the air conditioning, but this one is almost finished with the installation. We still need to secure it so there is no risk of falling when we are moving. It's running on battery that the solar panels charge during the day.
And we have new air conditioning. Now it's time to enjoy.
The way to know if it's working well is to put a sheet on it. In the center, you cannot stick the sheet. But if you place it on the side, the leaf is sucked in and the leaf sticks together. Look how it sticks. Up here too. It is expelled in the center and sucked in at the side. It joins in the middle and extrudes on the side, and the same happens on the other side. Oops, it's windy today, but I think you already understand. Despite the wind, I wanted to show you how to confirm that the air conditioning is working well. The division is here. From here to here is the air outlet. Here is the entrance and the other entrance. I wanted to show how efficiently the air conditioning is working. Otherwise, the air conditioning would be catching hot air and not recycling the air inside with the outside. And we already use the air conditioning inside, and it has a very good response. It works like this. It sucks the air from the outside and throws it inside, and expels the hot air from the inside to the outside. So here it goes. Another thing, the ROADTREK's original air conditioning is 8,000 BTU, and this is 5,000 BTU. Inside the ROADTREK 190, we have around 65 square feet with the cabin and only 45 square feet in the house. And the air conditioning that comes originally, I guess, is absurd for the internal size of the motorhome. The 5,000 BTU we put in is still much more than what is needed for this size motorhome, as the area it could cover is 150 square feet. This means I can use it on battery power, even all night, if necessary. It uses less than 400 watts, and the 8,000 BTU is something around 800 watts. Therefore, you could not use it without being connected to electricity or a generator. The 8,000 BTU consumption is practically double that of the one we installed.
Detail, the air conditioning is now running on the energy produced by the solar panel, right?
Well, the board is mostly in the shade, but it's been in the sun all day, and the power it's using is from the batteries that charged in the sun. Therefore, charge all day and the batteries are at maximum charge, and use the inverter to run the air conditioning.
If it were the 8,000 BTU one, it wouldn't work with just the battery, right?
No. Then I would have to turn on the generator if we weren't close to an outlet. It works here or in the middle of the woods, on the beach, in restaurant or supermarket parking lots.
So if having sun, it works.
Yes.
That's it, come with us.